everything on wheels. While we usually talk two wheels here, today we are switching gears, quite literally, to cover something on four wheels that's been making waves in the automotive world. That's right, we are diving into the 2025 Lexus ES 300h, a hybrid luxury sedan that perfectly balances style, efficiency, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're a hybrid enthusiast or just curious about what Lexus is bringing to the table this year, you'll want to stick around. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's take a deep dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 Lexus ES 300h. Design and exterior styling. The 2025 Lexus ES 300h continues the brand's tradition of bold, refined styling. At first glance, the sedan maintains its elegant and sleek profile, but subtle updates bring a sharper and more modern aesthetic to this year's model. Lexus has slightly revised the spindle grille design, making it feel more integrated into the body rather than standing out, and added new chrome accents that bring a more upscale flair. You'll also notice sharper LED headlight clusters that not only enhance visibility but give the ES a futuristic and assertive look on the road. Around back, the taillights feature a more three-dimensional layout, with LED elements that stretch horizontally across the rear fascia, emphasizing the car's wide stance. A set of new alloy wheel designs is also on offer, including 18-inch and optional 19-inch variants that enhance the sedan's road presence. Buyers can choose from a refreshed color palette as well, with new shades like Cloudburst Grey and Copper Crest joining the mix to give drivers more personalization options. Interior comfort and luxury. Step inside the 2025 ES 300h, and it becomes clear that Lexus has paid just as much attention to the interior as it has to the exterior. The cabin is a masterclass in quiet luxury. Soft-touch materials cover every surface, from the dashboard to the door panels, and available wood or aluminum trims add a sense of craftsmanship that you don't often find in this price range. The seating is particularly noteworthy. Both the driver and front passenger benefit from 10-way power-adjustable seats with heating and ventilation. Rear passengers aren't left out either. The rear seats offer generous legroom, and in higher trims, even heated rear seats are available. Cabin insulation is excellent, with Lexus continuing to use sound-deadening materials and laminated glass to reduce wind and road noise. Whether you're cruising down the freeway or stuck in traffic, the ES 300h provides a calm and serene environment. Powertrain and hybrid efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 ES 300h carries forward its proven hybrid powertrain, but with minor refinements for better efficiency and smoother performance. It features a 2.5-liter inline-4 gasoline engine paired with an electric motor, together delivering a combined output of 215 horsepower. Power is sent to the front wheels through an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, ECVT. While this isn't a performance powerhouse, the ES 300h isn't trying to be one. What it does exceptionally well is deliver smooth, silent acceleration and excellent fuel economy. Lexus estimates the sedan returns around 44 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for a mid-size luxury vehicle. It's a car that encourages calm, efficient driving, perfect for commuters, long-distance travelers, or anyone looking to minimize their carbon footprint without sacrificing comfort. Technology and infotainment. Lexus has made a significant leap in tech with the 2025 ES 300h. Front and center is the new 12.3-inch touchscreen display, which replaces the older, less intuitive touchpad interface. The screen is now closer to the driver for easier access, and the software has been completely updated with faster response times and better graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, along with a wireless charging pad for smartphones. Navigation, Bluetooth, and voice recognition have also been improved, making for a seamless tech experience. For audiophiles, the available Mark Levinson premium audio system is an absolute treat, delivering clear highs, deep bass, and a rich, immersive sound experience. Another highlight is the updated Lexus interface, a cloud-based system that allows for over-the-air updates, connected services, and personalized driver profiles. It's a big step forward in making the ES feel as smart as it is luxurious. Safety and driver assistance features. No Lexus would be complete without a full suite of safety features, and the 2025 ES 300h is no exception. The sedan comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, road sign assist, intelligent high beams, What's new this year is the addition of proactive driving assist, which helps gently adjust braking and steering to maintain safe distances in certain driving scenarios. There's also traffic jam assist available on higher trims, which allows the ES to handle low-speed congestion with minimal driver input, a nod to semi-autonomous driving capabilities. All in all, the 2025 ES 300h is designed not just to protect its occupants, but also to make daily driving less stressful and more predictable. Driving experience and comfort on the road. On the road, the 2025 ES 300h delivers a ride that's tuned for comfort rather than corner carving. The suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease, gliding over rough pavement with the kind of smoothness you'd expect from a much more expensive luxury car. The hybrid system contributes to the refined experience, especially in EV mode at low speeds, where the car operates silently. Steering is light but accurate, making the ES easy to maneuver in urban environments while still feeling stable at highway speeds. There's also an available F-Sport design trim for those who want a more athletic aesthetic. While it doesn't change the powertrain, it does add sportier suspension tuning and unique styling elements, including a mesh grille and sport seats. It's a good choice for buyers who want the look of performance without sacrificing ride quality or fuel efficiency. Pricing and trim levels. The 2025 Lexus ES 300h comes in several trim levels, allowing buyers to choose the combination of features and luxury that best suits their needs. The base model starts at around $45,000, while fully loaded models, especially those with the ultra-luxury package or F-Sport design, can reach closer to $55,000. Each trim comes well equipped, but as you move up, you gain access to features like a head-up display, semi-aniline leather, panoramic moonroof, and a surround view camera system. Lexus has done a great job of balancing value with luxury, especially considering the hybrid powertrain and long list of standard safety features. Final verdict. To wrap it up, the 2025 Lexus ES 300h continues to be one of the best hybrid luxury sedans on the market. It's not about raw performance or aggressive driving dynamics. Instead, it focuses on comfort, efficiency, and long-term reliability. The refreshed tech, upgraded interior features, and refined driving experience make it an even stronger contender in the mid-size luxury segment. If you're in the market for a luxurious, efficient, and dependable daily driver, the ES 300h should absolutely be on your shortlist. It's a vehicle that proves hybrid technology doesn't have to come at the expense of refinement or style. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Lexus ES 300h. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content like this, even if it's outside the usual bike realm, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Bike Updater Pro. Let us know in the comments, would you consider a luxury hybrid like the ES 300h? Or are you holding out for a full EV? Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, or in this case, drive smart.